Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize Calendly booking page. To get started, open Calendly and go to your scheduling area where your meeting types are listed. This is the section where you can view the different booking options you've already created, such as one-on-one meetings or other appointment types. If you manage more than one event type, take a moment to find the specific booking page you want to customize before moving on. Starting in the correct section will make the rest of the process much easier. Once you're on the meeting types page, look for the three-dot menu connected to the booking page you want to update. This menu usually contains additional options for managing that event type. Click on the three dots to open the menu. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor carefully over the event card or row and check the right side of that item. These menus are commonly used for quick settings and edits, so this is the main place you'll need to access. After the menu opens, click Edit. This will take you into the settings for that specific Calendly booking page. From here, you'll be able to make changes to how the page appears and how it works for people booking time with you. Editing from this section is important because it ensures you're modifying the exact event type you selected, rather than changing something more general in your account. Once you're inside the edit screen, follow the on-screen procedure to customize your booking page. Calendly will guide you through the available settings, and the exact options may vary depending on your account type or the kind of meeting you're editing. As you move through the customization area, read each setting carefully so you understand what it changes. You may be able to adjust things like the booking details, page appearance, availability, or other event preferences shown on your screen. Take your time while reviewing each option so your booking page reflects the experience you want for your invitees. A good tip is to think about what information a visitor needs to see clearly before they schedule with you. If you make several updates, it can also help to review the page afterward to confirm everything looks correct and works as expected. That's it. You've now opened the correct Calendly event, accessed its edit options, and followed the on-screen customization process for your booking page.